Do you want to know how I was able to create these nice voluminized hair? Stay tuned for the video and I'll show you how. Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Krissy M and welcome back to my channel. So you guys, I literally just woke up like this. Like legitimately, you guys, I did my makeup yesterday for Valentine's Day and I fell asleep in my makeup. So this is my makeup look for Valentine's Day yesterday. It's probably kind of oiled out. I just added a little bit of lip and patted my oils on my face. And then I just woke up to do this makeup tutorial for you guys. Okay, you guys, so as you guys know, I have been super uber sick. So I haven't been able to create content like I normally would because I just was down and out. But I'm coming back with you guys with another one. So today's video, you guys, is gonna be a requested video. Some of you, I guess, like the way that I style my hair when I curl it. So I'm going to do a video for you guys on how I make these fabulous like beach waves for people with short hair. I mean, I don't know, my hair is short, but maybe not too short. Maybe for like medium length hair, I guess. I don't know. But anyways, you guys, let's get into it. All right, you guys, so the way that I style my hair and how I get my beach waves is super easy. Like anybody can do it. I actually learned it from my hairstylist because she started doing my hair with, you know, and I'm like, how do you do that? She showed me, so she showed me and then I've been using it. So you guys, all you need is a flat iron. I don't know, if you have a good fancy flat iron, good for you, kudos for you. I would say a comb. You can do a brush if you need to brush your hair, you know, so whatever it is that you'll be doing. I'm going to use a baby toothbrush just to kind of, you know, straighten the edges and some oil for the hair. Because anytime you use heat, you guys, you definitely want to protect your hair with a little bit of an oil so that your hair doesn't have heat damage or any of the split ends on the end. So definitely have an oil on deck so that you can protect your hair. Alright you guys, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to part my hair how I would wear my hair normally. And so I think my stylist, she parts it down the middle. I'm gonna part it on the side, you guys. And if you have thick hair, feel free to use a smaller comb to get the exact part going on, or a big one, I don't know. So we're just gonna part, I'm gonna part like in a U shape, you guys. And a lot of the times I like a little bit of more hair on one side than the other. It just makes me look fabulous, just fabulous, yes. And it gives me like a lot of volume too. So I'll shorten this side and then I'll have this side going. Next, what I like to do, you guys, I like to part it down the middle, okay? And then we're just going to tie this one up. Now you probably would need more than one hair tie. I'm just gonna wing it at this point because I don't have one anymore hair ties. So I'm just gonna put this one in a ponytail for now. That way your hair doesn't get mixed up with your other hair while you're curling. And what you could do is just part your hair like this and plop it over this side. That gives you room to be able to start off, you know, on this side and get your stuff going. All right, you guys, so next I'm just gonna put like a little dab of oil in my hands, you guys, just like a little bit because I don't want I just washed my hair, first of all. First of all, before you guys do this, make sure you have washed, like cleaned, wash hair, whatever you do. If you use dry shampoo, whatever, make sure your hair is clean because this is gonna look so good if you're on clean hair. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna sprinkle just a little dab on my hand and rub it in, you guys. And then just rub it through my hair because I do have colored hair too, you guys, and I don't want to damage my hair, you know, especially when it has color, by not putting any oils in it. So we're gonna do that. And then we're gonna go through and we're just gonna part this section out, you guys. I like to make sure I'm getting every part of my hair when I'm doing this because I want the ultimate wave. So I start out by little sections. And what I like to do, you guys, is take my flat iron and go through it one time. Okay, so then I'm gonna take my hair, my curling iron, and I'm just going to do this. And it's gonna create a nice little curl. So you guys, I'm gonna get up a little bit closer so I can show you. Okay, so you're going, oh, come on. Okay, so guys, you're going to, let's get a little bit of a lesser piece. You're gonna take your flat iron, right? You're just going to flat iron it straight. And if you feel comfortable using a curling iron, like one that's round, feel free to do that. Then you're going to take your hair and pull it through. Not even all the way, you guys. You see how I still have a little bit of hair left? And then you just do that. Legitimately, you guys. It's so easy. And you're gonna do that for every piece of your hair. So we're gonna do this. Just to let it get it a little bit straighter. And then let it just a little bit and pull through. Because we want to create these nice like waves in our hair. You guys will see what I mean once I'm done. Pull through. And then just a little bit, leaving some hair at the ends. So easy, you guys. It took me a minute to get this, honestly. I've never used a flat iron to curl my hair, but this is super easy and it creates these nice waves. And honestly, you guys, this would look so cute on someone with longer hair too. Like if you had super long hair, it'll look so fab. And so a lot of the times when I have my hair extensions in, I will use this method to create me nice, you know, like waves. If I want to go about my day-to-day life and don't have to be extra, I will just do these, you know, this in my hair. All right, you guys, so I'm going to go through my whole head and then I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so when you come over to your left side, you're going to turn your wand a different way. And I'm actually going to show you guys right now, because this is a little bit different from that way. For some reason, the right's in the right and the left's in the left, it has to be different. So instead of you going the opposite way that you would do for the right, we're actually going to take our flat iron, we're going to place it here, and we're just going to take it more upward, you guys. And that way we still have the same, you know, wave effect on both sides, and it's not like an uneven, you know, wave. You know, they're all waved the same way. I'm gonna show you guys again. Take it upward and still let a little bit hang, and then let it slide out. Alright, you guys, so once you are done curling your hair, I'm going to do a little twirl for you guys. Okay, your hair should be nice and fabulous. We're going to take our hands and we're just going to brush out our hands. We're going to use our hands for brushes. And we're going to just brush out these curls, and I'm going to show you the wave effect it's going to do, okay, you guys? So we're just literally just going to, I would not use a brush. If you have a big comb, you can do that, but I would just use my hands, because you don't want to knock out all of the curls, if that makes sense. We want some nice volume mask curls in our hair. Yes, Lord. Okay, you guys, once you're done doing that and getting it how you want it to be, I'm going to take my little toothbrush. Normally, you guys, I will use like a edge control to take down these edges, but I'm going to get it because you know what? I'm going straight to bed. I'm not about to be doing anything else. Plus, it's raining in LA, so I'm just going to take my little toothbrush and a little bit of water and just kind of brush those down. Brush the edges down because you do want a nice, like, sleek look. You don't want it to just be looking all over the place, especially if you do have flyaways like me. And yeah, once you guys are done, all right, you guys, let's do a nice twirl for ya. I'm gonna do a twirl for you so you guys can see the finished product. All right, you guys, I hope this look inspired you to go and to create your own fabulous beach waves for the summer or the winter, you guys. If you guys are new to my channel and you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and then click the bell on the side so you are alerted when I do upload videos. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.